Welcome to Shri Ram's IAS. Now we are here with a very important discussion on one of the geographical locations that is in news. We'll look into the Strait of Hormuz. Why that is in news? All of you know that the Israel-Iran war that is escalating because of the underlying issue of the uranium enrichment up to 60% by Iran. Okay? And apart from that, most recently, US had also made an unprecedented move to attack the nuclear sites of the nuclear facilities of Iran. And as retaliatory move, Iran has threatened to block the Strait of Hormuz. So let us look into the geographical aspects of the Strait of Hormuz. So going from the basics, we'll see what a strait is. अगर बात करें कि स्ट्रेट क्या होता है, स्ट्रेट का मतलब होता है एक बहुत ही नैरो पाथवे, एक वाटरवे दैट इज कनेक्टिंग टू लार्जर बॉडीज ऑफ वाटर, टू लार्जर बॉडीज ऑफ वाटर एंड दे आर बोथ कनेक्टेड थ्रू अ वेरी नैरो पैसेज. ठीक है, वाटर विल अलाउड टू बी फ्लो फ्रॉम वन वाटर बॉडी टू द अनदर थ्रू दिस नैरो पाथवे दैट इज देयर. ठीक है, सो हियर इफ वी सी the Strait of Hormuz, let's see the Middle East region. So here Arabian Sea ka part, the northernmost part that you see here, that is the Gulf of Oman, and if we go to the west, here we have the Persian Gulf. These are two bigger bodies of the water. Both of these, they are connected to each other through this very narrow waterway which is existing between them. And this is actually the Strait of Hormuz. So the first pointer from our geographical perspective is that Strait of Hormuz connects the Persian Gulf with the Gulf of Oman, or you can say the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea. ठीक है? Now this is very significant. Why it is significant? The ships that are passing through this waterway, they are facilitating the trade of the crude oil and the liquefied natural gas from the Gulf countries. And this trade, it is significantly done with the Europe and Asia. So in fact, India is also importing the Gulf oil through this very strait that we have mentioned is the Strait of Hormuz. तो India का up to 50% of the crude oil and the natural gas supplies that we can see that they are passing through the Strait of Hormuz. But now the issue is that Iran is threatening to block this very pathway. So what will happen? That is going to have direct effect on the prices of the oil and natural gas. ठीक है, तो होगा क्या, इससे हमारा फ्यूल इन्फ्लेशन हो जाएगा. And when there is fuel inflation, that is also going to have ripple effects on the other industrial sectors also. ठीक है, well, from the perspective of geography, we also need to see the another important region that is here, the Persian Gulf and its bordering nations. So if we see here, Persian Gulf में सबसे largest border that is shared by Iran. It is shared by Iran. Thereafter, it is shared by Saudi Arabia. ठीक है, and then by UAE. Apart from that, we have countries like Qatar, then we have Bahrain, we also have a small portion of Iraq bordering the Persian Gulf, we have Kuwait, ठीक है, we have Oman here, ठीक है, बहुत ही छोटा सा पोर्शन ओमान का भी यहाँ पर बॉर्डर करता है. सो ओवरऑल इफ यू सी देयर आर टोटल 8 countries which are having their maritime borders with the Persian Gulf. ठीक है, so often UPSC focuses on the regions that are in conflict, and in case of the water bodies also it will focus on the questions like which countries are bordering that particular water body. Let's say Mediterranean Sea या Persian Gulf हो गया यहाँ पे. So we have covered Persian Gulf here. ठीक है, now let us see a similar question that was asked by UPSC. In 2024 they have asked a question, the Seomed pipeline is a strategic route for the Persian Gulf oil and natural gas shipments to Europe. This is actually a correct statement. Assumed pipeline, this is basically the Suez Mediterranean pipeline. This pipeline, it's there in Egypt and it is considered to be an alternative to the Suez Canal. ठीक है. Okay, second statement, पहला तो हमारा ठीक हो गया. The assumed pipeline connects the Red Sea with the Mediterranean Sea. This is also correct. And the question is, which of the following is correct in respect of the above statements? So, here both our statements are correct, and the statement 2 rightly it's justifying the statement 1 also, since it is enabling the trade from the region surrounding the Red Sea to the countries, to the European countries which are bordering the Mediterranean Sea. So it is considered to be a strategic route for the transit of the oil and natural gas. With that, we'll end this session today and we'll come up with more geographical perspectives. Thank you.